Hey guys, we're here in one of our smallest huddle rooms, and today we're going to take a quick look at Lifesize Dash. So Dash is our solution for these ultra small meeting rooms, and it's a really easy and a really affordable way to get started with video conferencing in just about any of your small meeting spaces. Let's take a quick look at all the components that go into a Dash room. First up is a Chromebox, and this is the processing power behind the Dash room. And it runs the Lifesize Dash app, which is the primary software behind this solution. Next, you'll need an iPad, and this becomes your touchscreen interface for making calls and navigating your directory. For cameras, we support a variety of different models from companies like Aver, Hudley, and Logitech, to name a few. This happens to be the AverCam 340, and it also has a built-in microphone. If you don't have the camera with a built-in microphone, you'll also need to get a USB microphone, like an MXL 404. And then lastly, you'll need a display, either a TV or a monitor, and you'll want to pick up a keyboard and a mouse. These are just for the initial setup. First step is just plugging in the devices. Hardwired internet is recommended, and then I'll just plug in the USB camera, keyboard and mouse, display, and power for the Chromebox. You'll need to have a Google account to set up your Chromebox, but you can use the same account for multiple devices. Next, we'll need to install the Lifesize Dash app, and you can find it over at dash.lifesize.com. When the installation is complete, go ahead and navigate to your launcher menu, and then open up the Dash app. To activate your Dash room, you'll need to log into the Lifesize Dash app by entering your Lifesize admin email and password. Enter a name for your Dash room, and then go ahead and click Next. The next page displays your room access ID and the QR code that you can use to pair your room controller app to your Dash room. Alright, now let's switch gears and set up the room controller app on our tablet. Go ahead and navigate to the App Store and download the app. When you first open up the room controller app, it will prompt you to either enter your code or use the QR scanner to scan the code. The last step is to go ahead and place a test call, and that way you can make sure that your audio and video preferences are set correctly. Before you put your keyboard and mouse away, make sure that you go ahead and allow Dash to use your camera and microphone. So there you have it. We're all set up and we're ready to make and receive calls with our Lifesize Dash room. Setup took about 10 minutes start to finish, and it was really easy, especially if you follow along with our Getting Started guide, which you can find on our website at lifesize.com/dash. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.